Hi guys, so today is Bonfire Night, and Bonfire Night is one of my favourite times of the year because I absolutely love fireworks. So today's Tuesday, which is kind of sucky because I always want Bonfire Night to be like on a weekend so that I can stay out late and not have to worry about uni or anything the next day, but it's Tuesday and alas, I have uni today and tomorrow. So gonna go into uni today, do what I need to do. And then we're off to a place called Grasshoppers, which is a rugby club in Preston that apparently do a really good firework display and a bonfire. So me, Amelia and Vicky are going there. Nads didn't want to come with us, which is a bit of a shame, but she just said she wasn't up for it this year, so just us three going. I think Vicky's going to drive us there, so that should be good, and hopefully we'll have some food there as well, because I don't finish uni till 6. Well, me and Vicky don't finish uni till 6. So we won't be able to get there until at least 6:30, 7 o'clock really. So yeah, hopefully there'll be some food or something because I don't think we'll have time to grab food here. But I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I might introduce you to Vicky and Amelia if they let me. They might not, I don't know. And yeah, I've done my nails all fireworky. They're a bit crappy to be honest, I've not done a very good job, but they're all just like sparkly and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to put my camera on charge now so that it's like ready for later, and I will catch up with you guys later. Bye! I just thought, some of you might be not from the UK and you may not know what Bonfire Night actually is. So basically, Bonfire Night is something that we celebrate in the UK. I don't really know how to explain it. It's always on the 5th of November. And basically it's because Guy Fawkes, which was a guy in the 1400s I think, tried to set fire to the Houses of Parliament and didn't succeed. So we celebrate it by setting off fireworks and burning things basically. So that's that. Now I'm going to go say hi Vicky. Vicky, come say hi! Come say hi!
Hi vloggers! I'm Vicky.
People.
Watchers. Of the world. I'm Vicky, I live with Becca.
Vicky's had tonsillitis, so she's ill. So
It's allowed.
she's not a druggie, I promise. I promise. Okay, Meals is upstairs getting ready, so we're just gonna wait for her, and then we're gonna get in the car. We're gonna go. We're all really excited. We're gonna get really muddy and disgusting, but I don't care. So I'm excited. So I will catch up with you guys later. Hello guys! So we're in the car on the way to Grasshoppers, and I think I just scared Vicky with my vlogging.
I just wanted to turn the music down for you.
Oh, she was turning the music down for me. That's kind, isn't it? Meals is in the back. Say hello, Meals.
Hello.
So Vicky just put the light on. I think you could probably see me anyway. So if she gets in trouble for police, we're gonna blame you guys.
I won't get in trouble for police.
For, you know.
Maybe with them.
Alright, we're gonna get into Vicky's thingy in my grammar. That's because I'm under pressure with people in the car watching me vlogging. It's the first time I've vlogged in public. For God's sake, guys. Give me some respect.
You're doing very well. Very proud.
So yeah, we're on the way to Grasshoppers, and I will nearly having a crash.
No, it's fine. Oh wait, hello. I'm here as well.
We're having issues, guys. Issues.
I can't even move my neck, you know. I'm just gonna.
Yeah, so we're all wrapped up and just like snuggled up, and I will vlog some fireworks. I will see you later. Say hi! Say hi! I don't know. We could have done me one of those tables, god damn.
Get in there.
I don't need to get in. Just zoom in. me to start vlogging as soon as they go.
But there's nothing there.
Stupid vlogging.
That's brilliant. Well done, Chinese people.
They definitely had a squeaky one then.
There's two little ones.
Hi guys, so it might be a little bit dark and you might, oh, spotlight, we've got light. We're done now. I think we're going to go to McDonald's and get apple pies. And then we're going to go home and get in PJs and just chill out and have a relaxed night. It's only 8:30, so we've got plenty of time to just chill. I might suggest a film.
Sandra Bullock.
Possibly a Sandra Bullock film. Me and Vicky have got a thing for Sandra Bullock at the moment. I don't know why, but when we first moved in and it was just us two, we literally watched about 4 Sandra Bullock films in like a couple of nights. It was really...
about 4 nights.
Okay, every night we watched a Sandra Bullock film, and we didn't mean to watch a Sandra Bullock film, it just kind of happened. So now we're obsessed with Sandra Bullock. So that's what we're gonna do, and I will see you guys when I'm in my PJs. Bye! Yay! We're going to Starbucks. We've discovered. Well,
Rock FM's good. Rock FM's pop.
just chilling outside
Rock
Starbucks.
Oh my god, we just learned.
Look, here is Starbucks. And here's Vicky's face. And here's Meals hiding in the back.
Hi.
I don't know whether you can see Meals, it's too dark. As I was saying, I kind of turned the vlog off by accident.
Looks like Morgan Freeman.
So, as I was saying, we discovered that there is a
black guy.
Starbucks drive-thru in Preston, which is a really random place to have it because, you know, Preston, who really goes to Preston? So, yeah, we're getting a pumpkin spice latte. Goodbye. Okay, so we're home, and I'm not quite in my pyjamas, but I'm going to go get in my pyjamas. I'm just going to quickly show you that I got pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks, and I'm really excited to drink it. And we also got apple pies from McDonald's, which I'm really excited to eat. I had a really nice night with everyone, and I'm really, really glad that we went out. So we just put the heating on, gonna get nice and comfy cozy, eat my apple pie, drink my pumpkin spice latte, and go to bed probably. So I will see you guys whenever I decide next to vlog. So I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. I'll leave my links down below, and yeah, have a good night guys. Bye.